Welcome to Science and Technology Briefing. The content of the briefing includes stock market news today, U.S. stocks rally as investors await Fed decision, Apple earnings. Wind power is caught in a perfect storm. Health professionals, not police, should care for intoxicated prisoners, BC watchdog says. Why Biden is so concerned about AI. Sunak to hold live chat with Elon Musk during AI summit. Stock market news today, U.S. stocks rally as investors await Fed decision, Apple earnings. Yahoo! Wind power is caught in a perfect storm. Bloomberg. Health professionals, not police, should care for intoxicated prisoners, BC watchdog says. The Globe and Mail. The head of the police watchdog in British Columbia, Ronald J. McDonald, has stated that caring for intoxicated prisoners is a health care issue and should not be the responsibility of the police. A report released by McDonald, chief civilian director of the Independent Investigations Office, says that keeping intoxicated prisoners in jail cells is outdated and does not guarantee their safety and health. McDonald's report followed an incident in which an unidentified man suffering from alcohol or drug withdrawal had a life-threatening health crisis in RCMP cells. The report concludes that it is time for the government to ensure that intoxicated individuals receive care from trained health professionals. Why Biden is so concerned about AI. The Independent. U.S. President Joe Biden has signed an executive order that aims to address concerns about the development of artificial intelligence, AI. The order will focus on issues such as safety and security, privacy, equity and civil rights, and consumer rights. Federal agencies will be given tasks to oversee the development of AI technology. The order will require AI developers to share safety test results and other data with the government, and standards will be established governing the development and use of AI. The Department of Commerce will publish guidance on the creation of content using AI. Sunak to hold live chat with Elon Musk during AI summit. The Independent. UK Chancellor Rishi Sunak will hold a live chat with Elon Musk during the Prime Minister's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Summit at Bletchley Park. The event has been criticized for being snubbed by world leaders, including US President Joe Biden. The discussion with Musk, who has warned that AI could lead to civilization destruction, is seen as a coup for the UK government. The two-day event will focus on ensuring AI can be used safely worldwide. The guest list for the summit has not yet been confirmed, but U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris is expected to attend. Premier Scott Moe says Saskatchewan will stop collecting carbon tax on natural gas if Ottawa doesn't extend exemption. The Globe and Mail. Saskatchewan Premier Scott Moe has threatened to stop collecting fees associated with the carbon price on natural gas if Ottawa does not extend its exemption from the levy to all home heating fuels. Last week, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced that the government would exempt home heating oil from the carbon price. However, Moe argues that this move unfairly benefits households in Atlantic Canada, where home heating oil is more common than in other regions of the country. Moe called for all households in Canada to have their heating fuel exempted from the carbon price. Ontario and Alberta have also called for the carbon tax to be exempted from natural gas. Commercial real estate exposure concerns New York's banking watchdog. Bloomberg. Adrienne Harris, director of the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, has said she remains concerned about banks' exposure to commercial real estate and unrealized losses due to rising interest rates. Regulators need to address the issues and learn from the collapse of several mid-size lenders in 2019, Harris said. NYDFS is reviewing its processes following the failure of Signature Bank in March. Harris has called for federal regulation of digital assets, but said calls to preempt state regulations completely were dangerous. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.